Hi, Amjad. Would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I'm a teacher, a trainer and a leader. I'm a person that's developed an online platform for teachers to share ideas across the world. I visit schools and share these ideas and interact with students and try to get them to think about their education.
Great. And why are you actually here today?
So here today I'm going to be running 3 workshops with different students, thinking about themselves, asking them to reflect on their why, also considering about their future and now. So piecing that together, asking them to think about what they're doing now and how that connects to their long-term goals. Also try to get them to raise their aspirations, their ambitions, and probably re-engage with education and try to present a little bit about my story, a little bit about people that I know that have been through the same kind of situations, and try to get them to really focus on why it's important to know why we're here.
Okay, so what are you actually hoping to achieve with the pupils?
So with the pupils, I want them to think about raising their aspirations, raising their ambition, raising their attainment, but also really thinking about how they can work in a more efficient and a more proficient way. So it's thinking about themselves and getting them to really reflect on what am I doing, how am I doing it, how can I be better, how can I be more effective.
Great, and I believe you're working with staff as well tonight.
Yes.
So what are you hoping to achieve with them?
So with staff, it's a brilliant kind of twilight session that I love delivering, which is just a variety of ideas to try and refine. So I'm going to present them with things that they could do in their classroom and they could put in place with their students, and all I'll ask them to do is reflect on how can this be personalised for their class, how can this be personalised for their students, and just present them with a flurry of ideas that they can use to reinvigorate, invigorate, or adapt or tweak their common practice. So trying out innovative, creative, or traditional kind of methods in getting more efficient in the classroom.
Great. Okay, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.